Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to change the add to cart text in your Shopify store. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the official Shopify website right here at shopify.com if you have not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by the main page right here where you want to go and log into your account. After successfully logging in, you'll be greeted by the home page where we can access all the sections that we have for editing our store, such as home, orders, products, and so on. And now we can get started with changing the text of our add to cart button. What we're going to first click guys is right here under the sales channel, click online store. After clicking online store, it's going to open up this new menu page where you can see that we can see the theme we are using and we can get started with editing our theme. So what we're going to do is click the three dots right here next to the name of the theme. After clicking the three dots, this is going to open up this new menu right here with all the options we can access, and one of them is going to be called edit default theme content. You want to open up edit default theme content. That's going to open up this new page where you can manage the text of all the basic theme content right here, such as the login form heading and so on. Here is the text that is going to display. So if we go into the product section right here, as you can see, after clicking product section, the first option that we have under product is add to cart. And here guys, you have all the options that you have. If you want add to cart, you say add to cart. You can say anything else. You can say add to shopping cart or anything. You can change it to whatever you want. Once you're satisfied, you can go right here into the upper right corner, click on save, and after saving, it's going to automatically apply it to your store, and this is what everybody's going to be able to see on that button. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.